Now let's make the dropdown work. I don't know if you already solved this, but it's part of the header component. So here's the place where we can simply put some code to make it work. You could outsource the dropdown in its own component, but I'll leave it in this component, and therefore I will add some data. In my data property here, I want to store the isDropdownOpen property. Of course, you may choose another name, and initially it's false because it shouldn't be open initially. Now, how is a bootstrap dropdown opened? That's important to understand to know how to proceed here with the code. Well, we get this list item class dropdown, and if we add the open class here, you see it's now open. So the goal is to dynamically add this. We can add it dynamically by binding to class here, and then in the object I want to bind the open class to my isDropdownOpen data field, which is true or false. So it's false initially, therefore it's not open. The open class is not attached. So the goal now is to listen to a click and change this. So whenever we click on it, I want to change this or toggle this isDropdownOpen state here. All I need to do is on this list item where I need to add this class, I'll also add a click listener, and I will simply set isDropdownOpen to what it currently is not. So to the opposite, isDropdownOpen. This toggles it, and with this in place, you now see I got a working dropdown where I can toggle between opening and closing it by conditionally appending or not appending this open class here, this class here. And this is how this works. Now the next step is to make the save and load data buttons work and to actually send HTTP requests. Again, a challenge for you. I will use view resource as we learned it in the HTTP module. You of course may choose a different approach. See you in the next video when we go through my solution together.